Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and bring you the latest insights and analysis. Today, we're talking about a potential breakout in Bitcoin that could mark a significant shift for the market. Bitcoin is on the cusp of something big, folks. After a wild ride over the past few months, the king of crypto has been taking a beating, but it's now getting ready to break out from its multi-month downtrend. And trust me, when this happens, it's going to be a doozy. Crypto analyst Rect Capital is one of the first to sound the alarm that Bitcoin is mere hours away from performing the initial but crucial steps towards fully confirming a breakout beyond the multi-month downtrend. And let me tell you, this is not just some hunch. The data is there. When Bitcoin successfully breaks a technical downtrend, it establishes a new uptrend phase, and this is exactly what's happening. Now, I know what you're thinking, but hasn't Bitcoin been on a tear recently? Well, yes and no. While the price has definitely been pumping, it's also lost 22.3% from its all-time high of $108,786. That's a big correction, but here's the thing. On-chain data suggests that institutional and retail investors are still confident in Bitcoin's long-term value proposition. Glassnode data highlights notable accumulation at critical price levels like $79,000, where approximately 40,000 BTC were purchased. And get this, the market has also successfully worked through a larger cluster at $82,080, where roughly 51,000 BTC accumulated. These levels of accumulation often act as strong support in technical analysis. But what's really interesting is that Bitcoin's next test will be at $83,500, where another 48,500 BTC are positioned. Breaking and holding above this level could accelerate its upward momentum. And if you believe the analysts, we're looking at a potential target of $102,000. Merlion the trader, one of our favorite analysts, has identified additional bullish signals. He notes that Bitcoin broke out of a falling wedge pattern with a bullish divergence forming on momentum indicators. This combination often precedes significant price movements, and Merlion is setting a potential target of $102,000. Now, let's talk about what this means for the market. In technical analysis, a falling wedge pattern is considered a bullish reversal formation characterized by converging downward trend lines. When price breaks above the upper trend line, it typically signals the exhaustion of selling pressure and a potential shift toward buying momentum. The current technical setup comes after Bitcoin has experienced substantial volatility in recent months, primarily influenced by broader macroeconomic factors. But despite that, the underlying accumulation patterns suggest that investors continue to view price dips as buying opportunities. So what's next for Bitcoin? If it confirms the breakout from its multi-month downtrend, we're looking at a potential target of $90,000 psychological level and the $100,000 threshold. And let me tell you, folks, if this happens, it's going to be a wild ride. That's all for today's episode of the Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency news and analysis.